Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate due dates on Monday.com. This is a powerful way to ensure your team never misses a deadline by automatically setting and adjusting due dates whenever a task status changes. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening the correct automation type. First, go to your Monday.com board in your web browser. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the board and click on Automate. This button is your gateway to all the automation features Monday.com offers. After clicking it, you'll see several options appear. Go ahead and click Create from Scratch. This allows you to build a custom automation that fits your exact workflow needs. Now we need to configure the trigger that will start this automation. Click on When This Happens or the first slot in the automation builder. This is where you define what event will kick off your automation. From the options that appear, select Status Changes to Something. This trigger will monitor your status column and activate whenever an item's status is updated. Next, click the underlined word Status and select your status column from the dropdown. This tells the automation which column to watch. Then click the underlined phrase to Something and select Working on it. Now your automation knows exactly when to activate, specifically when any item's status changes to Working on it. Next, we'll configure the Start Date action. Click on Then Do This or the second slot in the automation builder. This is where you define what happens after the trigger activates. Select Set Date from the Actions dropdown. This action will automatically assign a date to your chosen column. Click the underlined word Date and select your Due Date column. This ensures that whenever someone marks a task as working on it, a due date is immediately set. Now let's configure the Push Due Date action to give your team some buffer time. Click the plus button on the recently created action. This allows you to add another action to the same automation. Select Push Date from the Actions dropdown. This action will shift the due date forward by a specified number of days. Click the underlined word Date and select your Due Date column again. Then set it to some days. Type 5 inches in the days field and click Set. This means your due date will automatically be pushed forward by 5 days, giving your team a realistic time frame to complete the task. Finally, let's save and test your automation. Click Create Automation to finalize and activate it. The automation is now live on your board. To test it, change an item's status to Working on it. You should see the automation trigger in real time. Confirm that the due date has been updated and pushed forward by 5 days. If everything looks good, you've successfully automated your due dates and created a more efficient workflow for your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.